It's raining and it caused so much stuff, man. Like, I can literally go in this right now. This is like 3-inch deep water that I'm trying to go over. I mean, hey, man. I'm out of an umbrella. Oh, shoot. Oh, so wet. You see that? It might be like I'm just doing random stuff at this point. I ain't trying to review anything, or technically yes, but I'm gonna try to. Man, but look at this, man. That's crazy. I got max. Oof. There's a bunch of cars passing by. Yo, look at this. That has to be crazy, man. That's disgusting. Man, I'm getting covered by this umbrella. That's why it's not raining as much. I mean, it's more safer for me to go down now. But it's raining, bro. It was like thunderstorming like a few seconds or minutes ago. And bro, it was crazy. I'm having to wear Crocs to do this, man. Man. It's still, oh shoot. Look. Rocks. Hold up, watch this. I can block it. Stay. Alright, I'm gonna do that. It's like a bunch of, my back. Okay. Man, this is deep. Hopefully that stay there. My back got crazy wet trying to do that. I mean, it's getting more clear, like over there, but it's still pouring. At this point, I'm just trying to get wet with just my feet, though. Nothing else. I mean, I already took a shower. Boy, what? Some sort of, no. That's a Rubik's Cube piece, man. I mean, oh shoot. Someone left their car window open. Sad. Ooh. That's disgusting. Why do I keep putting my feet in stuff, man? Oh my. Oh, this is flooded like crazy. I'm not going in that. Shoot, there's a brick. Ugh. I got a brick. I'm gonna throw it. Alright. 3, 2, 1. That's crazy. That's what you call a crazy person. You can hear my croaks. And slowly, this is getting... What if I put my umbrella? It's not raining that much. Repel! Hold up. Ah, my head! Oh, you know what we can do? We can try to block it off. and then I'll reopen it. Hopefully I can find something fast enough. Luckily. Alright. I don't think that really helped. I don't think this is really helping. I mean, all I'm doing is just reducing how much water just comes. I'm not really stopping it. That sucks. Yo, look at this. Imagine going up a speed bump in that. Frick. I'm going back, man. Oh, that's windy. Oh, hope you guys enjoyed. I got myself all wet for this. Don't know how it's gonna turn out. Alright, peace out, y'all.